Whoa! Alright, let's talk about silver. Everybody's favorite element. Number 49 on the periodic table, group 11, row 5. Not as good as gold, but better than bronze. And you can use it to kill the occasional werewolf. Not to mention that it has the highest electrical conductivity and thermal conductivity of any metal. Everyone loves silver. But did you know, ladies and gentlemen, that silver is almost completely extinct? Yes! I'm almost as shocked as you are. Scientists predict that silver will become extinct by 2020. I mean, there's only 300 million ounces of the stuff left on the Earth's crust. Do you know how little that is? That means that there's only 9,375 tons of it left. That's around 8,000 blue whales worth of silver. And God knows how much of it is actually accessible. For all we know, 50 million ounces could be at the bottom of the Marianas Trench, and another 100 million ounces could be inside a volcano. There could only be 150 million ounces that we can actually use as human beings. The price of silver currently as 2011 is $48.64 per troy ounce. That's tiny. Not only is silver almost completely gone, but it's also extremely useful. Silver is used in water filtration, in superconductors, and in solar panels. That's right, people. Solar panels. You know, the brilliant invention that makes clean energy, something that Earth desperately needs right now. I'm serious, people. This right here, yeah, it's a problem. It needs to be fixed as soon as possible, but very little people seem to be trying to do anything about it. I swear, people in this day and age are more afraid of gluten than they are about global warming and pollution. Without silver, there are no solar panels. Silver is a primary ingredient in photovoltaic cells and 90% of crystalline photovoltaic cells. For people that don't know what those are, which I'm going to assume is everyone except Riley, seems to know everything. Photovoltaic cells are specialized semiconductor diodes that convert visible light into a direct current. When the sunlight hits the silicon cell, it generates electrons. The silver is used as a conductor to collect the electrons so that they become a useful electric current. Also, the reflective property of silver enhances the reflection of the sunlight to improve the energy that is collected. Silver can also be used to fight off E. coli. Apparently, silver salts added to the antibiotics makes it 1,000 times more effective. Silver sulfadiazine can be used as a topical cream to treat burns. It's also just now been discovered why silver is so good at breaking down bacteria. A team led by this biomedical engineer named James Collins at Boston University, Massachusetts, have finally explained how silver does this. When used as dissolved ions, it affects bacteria in two different ways. First, it makes the cell membrane more permeable, meaning that it allows more liquids and gases to pass through it. And next, it interferes with the cell's metabolism, which makes reactive and toxic oxygen compounds that kills the bacteria. With the bacteria's defenses severely weakened, this makes antibiotics far more effective. In conclusion, guys, help save the silver. Come on now. This transition metal is far more valuable than anyone could have ever anticipated, and we're running out of it. Make people more aware and hashtag save the silver.